Alright, this will be the last time that we're gonna see this truck without the flares. Alright, here we go. Here's our fender flares. It finally came into the mail. It took it 2 weeks to come. And it comes with 20 clips, 4 clips with bolt, 20 washers, there's 20 screws, and 6 push-in plastic clips. So now let's go over to the installation. This is the rear fenders, and yes, you have to drill your fenders. I did drill a few holes over here. This is the first hole. This is the second one, and there's the third one. At the bottom, there is already a hole from inside, and that's the one that you will be using to hold the bottom part of the flares. And there you go. Let's go on to the other side and show you the other one that I've already installed. This is how it looks like. It lines up pretty well, and it is sturdy, not moving at all. And yeah, those are the bolts that I've added. There you go. So moving on, we're gonna go to the front fender flares. On front, it takes the 2 original holes over there, and you're gonna add those 1, 2, and 3 bolts, and that's in another original hole. Installation for the wirings: the red goes to the yellow and gray, and black goes to gray and black. Alright, and this is wired through the marker lights. There you go.